Hello everyone, welcome back to our online class Innovative Noble. Namaskar. Myself Bini Darlami, the basic teacher of Noble Environment Academy and science teacher as well. Before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our Noble Environment Academic channel. Okay, now today is day 5 and I would like to welcome you all in our science online class for class 2. In our previous class we have learned about the different parts of a plant. I hope you have, I also give you the homework. I hope you have done the homeworks. So now the topic of our today's lesson is about food from plants and animals. So this is the topic. Now in first we will read about the food from plant, the food that we get from the plants. All living beings need food to live. We all know that without food we cannot survive our life. So all the living things, all the plants, all the animals, all the living things, they need food to live. Most of our food comes from plants. Every food that we eat, they are come from the plants. We get different types of foods from plant. We get different kinds of food from the plants. We get cereals, pulses, vegetables and fruits from plants. The food that we get from the plants are like cereals, pulses, vegetables and fruits and many more. We get these kinds of fruits, these kinds of food from plants. Likewise, sugar, oil, spices, tea and coffee are also obtained from plants. Likewise, all the sugars, oil, tea, coffee, they are obtained from plants. We get these kinds of food from the plants also. Now, in first topic, now we are going to talk about cereals. Do you know what is the meaning of cereals? What is cereals? The plants which produce grains are called cereals. The plant that produce grains only, these are known as cereals. For example, rice, wheat, maize, berry, millet, they are the examples of cereals. We get rice and bread from cereals. Also we get the rice and bread from the cereals also. Now our second topic is about pulses. We have already learned this also. Now what do you mean by the pulses? The dicot seeds which are used as food are called pulses. We get different pulses from plants. Beans, lentils, grams, peas and kidney beans are some examples of pulses. Pulses are rich in proteins and also pulses helps us in growth and development of our body. These pulses are very important in our life also. They used to provide us protein. They are rich in proteins and they also helps in our growth and development of our body. Now here are some pictures of pulses. These are the examples like grams. We have already seen grams, beans, peas and lentils. These are the examples of pulses. Now third point is vegetables. We all know that what is vegetables. The plants or part of plants like potato, onion, cabbage which are used as foods are called vegetables. In our daily life, we used to we every time we used to eat the vegetables. We get different vegetables from plants. We get the vegetables, different kinds of vegetables from plants. Vegetables are plants or parts of plants like spinach, potato, cabbage, carrot, tomato, cauliflower and onion. These are the vegetables that we get from the plants. In vegetables we use root, stems, leaves, flowers and fruits of some plants as vegetables. Root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. We use these kinds of plants as vegetables in our daily life. Vegetables are rich in vitamin, minerals and carbohydrates. They protect us from various diseases. All the vegetables, they are rich in vitamin, minerals and carbohydrates, and these also help us to protect us from various or different kinds of disease. Now point number 8, roots. As you all know that what is the root? Root is the part that grows under the soil. We eat roots of radish, carrot, turnip, beetroot as vegetables. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. We eat roots of radish, carrot, turnip, beetroot as vegetables, and they are also rich in vitamins and minerals. You can see the pictures: radish, carrot, turnip, beetroot. Now point number B, stems. Stems are like those parts of a plant that grows above the soil. These are stems. We eat stems of potato, onion, ginger and garlic as vegetables. Stem foods like vegetables like potato, onion, ginger and garlic, they used to grow in the stems, and we used to eat these kinds of vegetables also. They are mostly used in our vegetables. We use these vegetables in our daily food. They provide us carbohydrate, minerals and vitamins. Potato is rich in carbohydrate. Onion, ginger and garlic are rich in vitamins and minerals. These vegetables also help us to provide carbohydrate, minerals and vitamins. Potato is rich in carbohydrate, and onion, ginger and garlic, they are rich in vitamins and minerals. And you can see the pictures also: potato, onion, ginger and garlic. These are some steamed vegetables. Now third topic is leaf. We eat leaves of lettuce, spinach, cabbage and mustard as vegetables. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. These leaf, they are like a leaf. Okay, now here are some examples of leaf vegetables. They are cabbage, spinach and lettuce. Now our fourth point is flowers. Now here are some vegetables. They are look like as a flowers. We eat flowers of cauliflower and broccoli. Now number 4 is flowers. We eat flowers of cauliflower and broccoli as vegetables. They help us to provide minerals, vitamins, cereals and protein. They help to provide us minerals, vitamins, cereals and protein. Here are some examples of cauliflower and broccoli. Now number 5, fruits. We get different fruits from plants like mango, apple, papaya, orange, banana, lychee, guava, grapes, pear, watermelon and pomegranate, etc. Some examples of fruits. These are some examples of fruit. Fruit provide us vitamins, minerals and carbohydrate. Most of the fruits are very tasty and delicious. These fruits help us to provide vitamins, minerals and carbohydrate, and all the fruits are very tasty and delicious. Now you can see the pictures of some fruits: grapes, mango, apple and orange. Okay, now these are the foods from plants. Now it's time for foods from animals, those fruits that we get from the animals. Animals are very useful to us. They give us food, fibers and leather. We get a variety of foods from animals. We get meat, milk and eggs from animals. Animals are very useful to us. They give us from animals we can get food, fibers and leather. We get a variety of foods from animals also, like we get milk, meat, egg from animals. We get milk from cows, buffaloes and goats. We need milk to grow strong and healthy. Milk is used to make various food items like curd, butter, cheese, ghee, ice cream and sweets, etc. Now you can see the pictures: milk, butter, curd, cheese, ghee, ice cream, sweets. All these foods we can get from the milk. These are some food items that we get from milk of animals. Now we get eggs from different birds like hen, duck and goose. Eggs are rich in proteins. They help us grow strong and healthy. We get eggs from different birds like hen, duck and goose. Eggs are rich in protein and they help us to grow strong and healthy. Now you can see the pictures: hens and its egg. This is a duck and its eggs, and this is a goose and its eggs. These are the examples of animals with their eggs, duck with their eggs. We get meat from various animals like goat, sheep, buffalo, chicken, pig, swine, turkey and fish. Meat is rich in protein. Meat helps in growth and development of our body. We can get meat from various animals like goat, sheep, buffalo, chicken, pig, swine, turkey and fish. We can get meat from these animals. Meat is rich in protein and meat helps us in growth and development of our body. You can see the picture. This is a mutton, chicken and fish. These are the meat that we get from the animals. Now here are some homework for class 2. Question number 1. What are cereals? Give any 2 examples. Number 2. What are pulses? Give any 2 examples. Number 3. Name any food items that we get from plants. Write down any 4 food items that we get from the plants. Number 4, name any 3 animals that give us meat. You have to write the name of 3 animals that give us meat. And fifth number, name any 3 plants whose leaves are used as vegetables. Write the name of 3 plants that are used as a vegetables. Okay, now this is the end of our today class. I hope you have learned that the food that we get from plants and animals, and I have also given you the homework, so do at your home and send the homeworks in our messenger or in our Max Connect app also. Now please stay at your home, do your work,